Hi everyone, today video I'll show you how to install Copilot in mobile. To install Copilot in mobile, open Play Store. Once you open the Play Store, in down you can see search option. In search apps, here you type Copilot, click on Copilot. Here you can see Microsoft Copilot. Click on install. In few minutes it will get installed. Once it is installed, we can directly open it from here. Click on open. Here you can give access, allow while using the app. Click on allow notifications, and here you can directly search for whatever you are required. What is Copilot? Okay, you can enter. Here you can directly access the Copilot, or there is other way also. If you can also log in or continue with your Microsoft or Google account. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.